How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add manual supports in Anycubic Slicer. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to simply click on your model right here, and then you want to navigate through the side categories and click on the support option. Now, you want to enable support. And if you're on this page, you might wonder on how we can use the two options, which is going to be the normal manual and the tree manual. Well, first you want to select either one of this. Now, in my case, I'm going to be choosing the tree manual. Now, to apply them manually, you want to once again click on your model right here, and then we're going to use a option called the support painting. It's going to be this specific icon. You can also press L on your keyboard as a shortcut. And basically we have two functions. You have the support blocker and the support itself. To use this, you can just press the left click and right click on your mouse. So let's say that we want to apply supports onto this specific area. Let me go ahead and adjust the pen size. So in here, press left click on your mouse and then it will apply the supports manually onto your model. I'm also going to apply some supports onto the wings area right here, and same thing with the opposite side. And maybe let's say that you want to avoid the face itself. You can then use the right click to apply the support blocker. Now in this way, it won't basically apply supports onto this specific area on our model. And if you're done, just click on the slice plate option, and from there it will then apply the supports that we have painted right here. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.